In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through the entire process, step by step, so you can safely add someone to your business without giving away more control than you intend to. This is useful when you're working with a team member, a freelancer, or an agency that needs to manage your Facebook pages or assets. First, open your Meta Business Suite dashboard. You can do this by going to the Business Suite link in your browser, or by navigating from your Facebook account to the professional tools and choosing Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile that owns or manages the business you're working on. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is usually in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to open the area where all your business permissions and users are managed. Inside Settings, you'll see a section related to people or users in your business. In the top right corner of the screen, there's a button labeled Invite People. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll start the process of giving someone access. A window will pop up asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Type in the email they use for their Facebook or work login. Double check for spelling mistakes, because if the email is wrong, they won't receive the invitation. After you've entered the email, click Next to move on. Now you'll see options to give this person either full control or partial access to your business. Full control is very powerful, so only use it for someone you completely trust, like a business partner. For most situations, partial access is safer. Choose the option that fits, then click Next again. On the next screen, you'll select which specific pages or assets you want them to have access to. Click on the pages you're comfortable sharing. This keeps everything limited to what they actually need. On the right-hand side, you'll see another toggle that lets you decide whether their access to each selected page is full or partial. This is more fine-grained control. For example, you might give someone partial access to a page so they can create posts and view insights, but not manage other people's permissions. Adjust these toggles to match their role, then click Next. Finally, you'll see a summary of the invitation, including the number of assets you're giving access to. When everything looks correct, click the Invite button. Meta will send an email invitation to that person. Once they accept it, they'll appear in your business suite with the access levels you've set.